Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay January 10, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayon January 10, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, January 10, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number lumabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 10, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, January 10, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 10, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.